The Italian Ministry of the Interior, known as the Viminale, plays a crucial role in managing migration flows. One of its key responsibilities is designating safe ports for vessels rescuing migrants at sea. This authority ensures a coordinated and controlled approach to managing disembarkations, preventing overwhelming local resources, and maintaining public order. The Viminale's role was recently reaffirmed by a significant ruling from the Italian Council of State. This ruling underscores the complexity of managing migration and the need for a centralized authority. The decision impacts rescue operations and the reception of rescued individuals upon arrival in Italy. The Viminale coordinates with various agencies, including port authorities, law enforcement, and humanitarian organizations. This collaborative approach ensures the chosen port has the necessary infrastructure and resources. The recent ruling provides a legal framework essential for managing migration effectively and humanely. The Italian Council of State recently issued a landmark ruling with significant implications for managing migrant rescues. The ruling upholds the Viminale's prerogative to designate safe ports for vessels carrying rescued migrants. This decision settles a long-standing debate regarding the authority to determine the most appropriate location for disembarkation. By granting the Viminale the final say in port designation, the ruling ensures a more organized and manageable process. The Council of State's decision provides much-needed clarity and legal certainty to a complex issue. It empowers the Viminale to manage migration effectively and responsibly. The recent decision by the Italian Council of State was prompted by an appeal from Médecins Sans Frontières, MSF, operating the rescue vessel Geo Barents. The Geo Barents had conducted 2 rescue operations in the Libyan search and rescue zone in January 2023. The Viminale assigned Ancona and La Spezia as the respective safe ports for disembarkation. MSF appealed these designations, arguing that both ports were excessively distant from the rescue locations. However, the Council of State rejected MSF's appeal, upholding the Viminale's original port assignments. The court's decision affirmed the Viminale's authority to consider a wide range of factors when selecting a safe port. This case exemplifies the complexities involved in designating safe ports and the balance the Viminale must strike. The Council of State's ruling has significant implications for future migrant rescue operations in the Mediterranean Sea. By affirming the Viminale's authority in designating safe ports, the ruling establishes a clear legal framework for managing disembarkations. This clarity ensures the efficiency and predictability of rescue operations, allowing humanitarian organizations and government agencies to coordinate effectively. The ruling underscores the importance of a comprehensive approach to safe port designation. The Viminale must consider the logistical capacity of the port, the availability of reception facilities, and the potential impact on public order. This approach ensures the chosen port is equipped to handle the arrival of migrants. The ruling paves the way for more efficient rescue operations and a more humane reception for those seeking refuge in Europe.